Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 50. How to filter campaign info. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to filter campaign info, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Then click on Add Filter. From here you can select performance and more options in it as filter. Similarly, we have conversions, competitive, call details and more options inside it. Next select ads and extensions. Here you get all your ads and then click on Add Filter button. Here also you'll get more options for filter. Select performance and then select clicks. Here you get many options. Let's select greater than and enter 0 and click on Apply button. Once done, you'll get all ads with greater than 0 clicks. You can also check out their clicks from here as well. On top we have status, all ads with greater than 0 clicks. This is to define your filter. So this is how you can filter campaign info. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it.